This is the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer, a must-have for every home baker. It features a 250-watt peak power motor, making mixing jobs effortless. Whether it's cookie dough with chocolate chips or airy whipped cream, this mixer handles it all. Plus, with 6 speeds and a QuickBurst button, you can adjust the power as needed for perfect results every time. The varying speeds allow for controlled mixing, preventing ingredients from splattering. Whether you're working on delicate batters or thick doughs, this mixer gives you the precision you need. One of its best features? No more lost beaters. This mixer comes with a snap-on storage case that keeps the 2 traditional beaters and whisk in one place. Everything stays together, so you're never searching for missing parts. This feature is especially useful for small kitchens where space is limited. And when you're done mixing, just press the speed dial to eject the attachments. No mess, no hassle. The easy eject button means no tugging or pulling, making the process smooth and efficient. Stability is another plus. The bowl rest feature lets you place the mixer on the edge of the bowl, so drips stay inside instead of making a mess on your counter. That means less cleanup and more time for baking. It's a small but significant detail that makes mixing more convenient. And when it's time to wash up, the beaters and whisk are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. No need for hand scrubbing, just pop them in the dishwasher and relax. The ergonomic design of the handle makes it easy to hold, reducing hand fatigue during longer mixing sessions. The lightweight build ensures you can mix for extended periods without strain. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, the Hamilton Beach hand mixer provides a comfortable and smooth mixing experience. The compact design also makes it easy to store, fitting neatly in any kitchen cabinet. If you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and easy-to-use hand mixer, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer is a fantastic choice. It's built for efficiency, comfort, and cleanliness. With its versatile attachments, sturdy motor, and thoughtful features, this mixer is perfect for all your baking needs. Whether you're whipping cream, mixing cake batter, or preparing cookie dough, it's got you covered. Try it today and mix with ease. It's the perfect kitchen companion for effortless baking and delicious results every time.